see how long the wait is. 30 minutes. Okay. Saying it's 30 minutes. Hi. About 30 minutes. It'll go by fast.
Yourself to an unforgettable dining experience at Harryhausen's. Famous for such delectable delicacies as swill and sour soup, terrible teriyaki, and goat tofu, Harryhausen's is the monster's choice for fine dining. For the CDA, they keep Monstropolis human toxin-free. The brave, the yellow, the CDA. Attention visitors, for your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. This is a test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. This is only a test. This concludes our test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. If there had been an actual sighting of a human child in Monstropolis, you would have been instructed where to tune in for news and official information. This concludes our test of the child. For your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise your children. Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poe!
Oh, googly bear!
They made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid! A human kid! Monster in disguise!
Come on, this way.
990, secure the area. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. We're looking for this girl. Situation is, Niner.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Bill?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
What? Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Still go? Oh, no. Slam it.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mommy, the lucky.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we prepare for decontamination. Status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here. We responded to a toll-free idea in progress and we're planning a procedure we immediately secured the area. We spread out and marked it down.
Nice to see you.
Thorough observation of the perimeter, we
You are now officially enrolled in our Monstropolis Witness Protection Program. Oh, goody. Another camera. Good thing I had my hair undone. Make sure you get my good side.
we spread out and marked it down.
There sure is a lot of traffic in Monstropolis today.